This is a 2015 Honda Fit. It has moonroof backup camera. Very clean vehicle. Great gas mileage. Alloy wheels, tires are in great shape. You'll be lucky to find a door ding on this thing. Very clean. Perfect vehicle for student or somebody that needs great gas mileage. This is the car. Great price range. Charcoal cloth seats are in great condition, never smoked in, no rips or stains or wear marks. Backup camera, push button start. 145,000 miles. No cracked dash. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise control. It has a camera in the driver's side mirror. Blind spot light camera. This is a 2015 Honda Fit. Needs nothing, great gas mileage, fully serviced. Perfect vehicle for student.